Hey everyone! When it comes to lash application, I'm trash at lash application. I need at least 100 attempts, like 100 attempts to perfectly apply my lashes. Recently, I found the ultimate showdown. Are you excited? I'm excited to show you guys. So this is the Quick Flick Stamp Perfect Eyeliner. It has stamp on one side and the felt tip on another side. And the most excited I'm about this Quick Lash Adhesive liner, which is super quick and mess free to apply. First, I'm going to apply my Quick Flick liner. Whoa! Do you see how pigmented it is? Whoa! What do you think? I'm gonna do it on the other eye. This can't get easier. I mean, wow. So pigmented, so dark, super quick, super easy. I'm gonna take my modest lashes. Do you see how fluttery it's on the outer corner? I just love this kind of style. I'm gonna place this adhesive liner where I'll be applying my falsies. This is in the shade black, but they come in clear, by the way. This is so quick and so mess free. I'm gonna take out the lashes like that. This. And voila, it was so easy. I mean, literally this is a miracle. I cannot apply false lashes in first attempt, and this happened in my first attempt, which is fabulous. Let me finish this eye as well. Now wait for 30 seconds. I place it in center first, and then I glue the corners and then press it with my real lashes. Do you see how easy it was? Like, it's done. Wow, it's done in first attempt. I'm like obsessed. Look at the style, it looks so pretty, right? Like, it flares out in the outside. I'm obsessed. Also, it feels so lightweight. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything because I don't like that heavy strap feeling on the eye. Wow. I'm just gonna show you some close-up. By the way, I have a secret to share. Are you ready? Quick Flicks is having up to 70% off during Black Friday. If you want to get your lash and liner game to top notch, grab it today. I'm 100% sure you won't get disappointed. I hope you enjoyed this. I totally did. Bye!